Good morning, beautiful people. So I'm on the way to work today, but then I'm gonna get a train down to London, chill there for the night, and then fly to LA tomorrow. You can come with me? Cool. So, work's finished for 2 weeks. Just park my car up, walk into the train station, headed down to London, got an important meeting in the morning.
Please create more space by putting your luggage and rucksacks off the backs and shoulders in the cars. There is another train 1 minute behind this one, that's less than 60 seconds.
Good morning, gang. I'm actually just walking to what could be a really important meeting for me, which I'm super excited about and I can't talk to you about yet, but hopefully not long after this comes out, maybe I'll be able to talk to you about it. But yeah, I'm super psyched. So, business lunch at Wolf & Lamp done. I don't really think that could have gone any better, so I'm super psyched about that, and I really hope soon I can kind of share that with you all, because I'm super excited. Hello, baby. So happy to be through passport control, really. They're always so aggy when you come to the US, but yeah, it's nice. I'm glad I'm here. Long flight, but it's so good. Just gonna get an Uber, check the Airbnb out. I'm quite excited for this one. And I am home. This place looks dope. Very nice. I reckon this could be the plug for the next week. Happy days. So just check the Airbnb out and that's dope. Chuck my ethics on. I'm just gonna take a little walk to Venice Beach. I think it's about 45 minutes. Maybe I catch a little bit of sunshine still. We'll see. So I went for a little wander down to Venice Beach. Found a place called LA Vegan. And you can't really see that very well, but it's a what they call a vegan chicken dinner. So it's just like a ton of vegetables, brown rice, and like a soy chicken. It's pretty tasty. I'm just gonna head back now, get some sleep, catch some Zeds, and do some more exploring tomorrow. Good morning, gang. Just about to put the vlog together for you now. If you want to catch the rest of my trip, like and subscribe so you don't miss it, and you also catch the awesome cooking interviews I'm gonna do out here with the beautiful people in LA. So look out for that one. Be nice to each other, and goodbye.